Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fantasy fudge. First, let's gather all our ingredients and prepare our workspace. Having everything measured and ready to go ensures a smooth process. You'll need 3 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of butter, and 2/3 cup of evaporated milk. Also, grab a 12-ounce bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips, a 7-ounce jar of marshmallow cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 cup of chopped walnuts if you like nuts. Don't forget to line your 9 by 13-inch pan. Now let's get cooking. In a large, heavy saucepan, combine your 3 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of butter, and 2/3 cup of evaporated milk. Place this mixture over medium heat. It's crucial to stir constantly as it heats up to ensure the sugar dissolves and prevents burning. Bring it to a full, rolling boil. Once it reaches that vigorous boil, set a timer for exactly 5 minutes and continue stirring without interruption. If you're using a candy thermometer, aim for 234 degrees Fahrenheit. The timing here is key for that perfect creamy texture. As soon as your 5 minutes of boiling are up, remove the saucepan from the heat. Immediately add your 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips and stir them vigorously until they are completely melted and the mixture is smooth. Next, quickly incorporate the entire 7-ounce jar of marshmallow cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing until no white streaks remain. If you're adding nuts, now is the time to gently fold in your 1 cup of chopped walnuts. With all the ingredients mixed, it's time for the final steps. Pour the hot fudge mixture into your prepared 9 by 13-inch pan. Use an offset spatula to spread it evenly, creating a nice, smooth surface. Now comes the hardest part, patience. Let the fudge cool completely at room temperature for at least 4 hours to ensure it sets properly. Once it's firm, use the foil overhang to lift the entire slab from the pan. Then, cut it into delicious 1-inch squares and enjoy your homemade fantasy fudge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.